Hey Ethereum friends, so I've been digging into the Figma API and I put together this little demo that I thought I should go ahead and share. I originally put together the demo just as a way to kind of dig into the API, see what was all possible. And honestly, what I found is that this is just like the tip of the iceberg. I see that there's probably a lot of potential here for things like brand style guides or internal tools and things like that. But just to kind of show you what I'm going to be doing, on the right here is a live web page, and it's responsive, it's coded out and everything. It's just this little landing page I put together with a bunch of placeholder data, nothing too fancy going on. And then on the right is the open Figma file that I used to design this page. And so what I'm going to do is I'll speed it up so you don't have to watch me make all the changes, but I'm just going to change all these components to have different styles, text, images, colors, things like that. And then after I come back, I'll refresh this page and we'll see that the live web page now reflects all of those changes. So I guess I'll just go ahead and fast forward. All right, and we're back. So just to kind of give you a walkthrough of the changes I made. So as you can see, I do have some text style set up, some color styles, and then I have components set up so that when I make changes to this desktop view of the landing page, it also makes those same changes to the mobile view. So on top of changing the font on each of the text styles and also the colors to be more of the purpley Ethereum brand color, I also changed the titles, changed the nav links, changed the button text. I switched out the little UI I had here and used a shot from our dribble profile. I switched out all of the brand logos for brands or in companies that we've worked for, and then also switched out all of these images from some of our About Us images on the new beta website. So now if I go over here and I just simply refresh that page that I had been working on, it'll take just a second to go ahead and download those new images. But we can see that now the brand has been updated in the top left. The nav links are there. It has our new titles, new button text, new UI, new logos in the client section, as well as the new images in the more informative About Us sections. And so I did that without touching any code. It was all changes in Figma that are driving the changes on the live web page. So anyway, I had a lot of fun putting together. Let me know what you think. Obviously, this would have some pretty severe issues if you try to use this exactly in production, just due to things like slow loading and bad SEO and stuff like that. But with just a little bit more work, I'm sure you can make it more production ready. But anyway, that's all I got. Later.